Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a human rights group has revealed that 2 more persons have been behind bars for decades without trial. One man has been in prison for 50 years. The revelation was made today by Stand Up for Jamaica, which has secured the services of an attorney. Andrea Chisholm reports.
One of the inmates is a 70-year-old man who was charged for murder on October 28, 1970, when he was 20 years old. He has been behind bars ever since. For a total of 50 years, the inmate has been held at the Governor General's pleasure since 1972. Stand Up for Jamaica says the inmate is not receiving treatment, is not scheduled for court, nor is he being assessed for his fitness to plead. And there's more. A second inmate was deemed unfit to plead twice by the courts. One such occasion was in 1976. The inmate was charged for 2 counts of murder and is currently 61 years old. Stand Up for Jamaica has therefore retained the services of human rights attorney Isat Buchanan.
The way forward certainly is to ask the DPP to indicate whether she is in a position to proceed with their matters in terms of the viability of prosecution given the passage of time. And she does have powers, wide powers under the Constitution, certainly to offer no evidence or to enter nolle prosecute, but several things can be done.
The group has welcomed the establishment of a mental health task force by Chief Justice Brian Sykes and requested that the 2 cases be dealt with urgently. Our news center also spoke with the executive director of the human rights group.
Our intention as a Stand Up for Jamaica is to make some checks and to make sure that whoever is in prison exceeding his sentence is going to be released as quick as possible. It remains the problem of mentally ill, because mentally ill are not fit to plead, and therefore nobody is dealing with them.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.